Baluyot, kaming boring, pabalo ka kayo. Anong masasabi mo sa resulta ng Metro Manila Film Fest? Luto nga ba?
Yan na naman eh. Lagi na lang sinasabi kapag hindi nanalo, luto. Kapag nanalo, good job.
What can you say?
For me, generally...
So, generally, it's successful. Let's go for the host. Oh, the three hosts are really good.
Yeah, especially Michael. So cute.
Michael Segar.
And also, yun din na
well, I think he will be discovered to be a host
God
one
bless
day
you, Mark,
to the
Michael.
like Miss Universe, to the pageant, as
Ang
they
galing.
said.
Lahat naman sila.
Onchong D and Khaled Karen.
Iba na yung pangalan ni Miss Karen.
Jarvis.
Pero
It's really good.
very professional and beautiful, right?
All of them did a great
especially
job.
the actors, the directors, organizers.
Aba yung sinasabi mo, yung ginawa mo ng TikTok.
Ginawa ko ng TikTok.
Sino
It's
yan?
just like about the I'm perfect. First, nobody is perfect.
Yeah.
I'm perfect. Marami kasing nagko-question about
There's a big question mark here.
Yeah.
Why?
Di po kami nagko-question It's just like I read
There's
the
a big
comments.
question mark. What do you think? Is there's a reality or there's a little amount of truth that parang pinagbigyan na lang nga yung what's the
Best
name?
actress?
The best actress. What's the name?
Is the best actress. Yeah.
From the
I'm perfect.
I'm perfect. Dahil meron siyang Down syndrome. So, bigay na natin sa kanya, sabi.
I think no. Because she did her part.
Yeah.
Even though she's struggling to speak, she delivered her script properly. And then it doesn't mean that you don't understand yung mga words po niya, salita niya, hindi niyo po makukuha yung movie. Kaya nga sabi niya, I'm perfect. Aalisin mo po yung word na I'm, you can ask yourself, are you perfect? You're not perfect too. It doesn't mean that you can talk properly, maiintindihan ka ng mga tao.
Anyhow,
It's a connection of heart.
the point there
it's a history.
It's portraying the real character. The
Correct.
character there.
It's very natural.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why she's
the
won
best actress.
because she's portraying the character itself and authentic.
Kung maririnig niyo yung speech niya, ako naiyak ako doon. Sabi niya, at the end of her speech, Lord, salamat po, tinupad niyo yung pangarap ko. We are not in their situation. Every day, they are facing bullying, challenges, and even hindi sila ina-accept ng society. Pero yung napaka-brave po nila na humarap sila to act at mapapanood all over the world.
About
they
yun
stand
sinasabi,
up for
dapat daw si Angelica ang nanalo or si Nadine Elu.
Eh di sana nanalo na po sila lahat, di ba? Pero kaya nga meron silang nilalagay ng mga juries. Ibig sabihin, they studied it well. Hindi na lang basta-basta the puso at saka isip ang ginagamit yan. Both ginagamit.
About kay Vice Ganda naman, dapat di daw siya best actor.
Yeah, wala akong comment doon. Wala akong comment doon. Kasi actress, at least she accepted. When
she was recognized.
Yeah, she was recognized and she accepted the reward. Yun na po yun. Ang gusto lang po namin i-comment is about kay Sylvia Sanchez. Kasi
for me, kay Vice Ganda, she well-deserved because throughout, I think, nasa Pilipinas pa ako every year, right? She's nominated. Every year, she's participating the Manila Film Fest. It's about time to give her a chance.
Kasi kapag nagpo-produce ka
Vice Ganda, it's
giving back to the society.
It's one of the Filipino people waiting their movie, the Filipino people is waiting for the movie, looking forward that movie of Vice Ganda. If Vice Ganda don't have an entry in Manila Film Festival, it seems like it's incomplete. Parang nung mga dati kay Mother Lily Mano po, and Shake Rock and Roll, pag wala siyang entry, parang it's not.
At least, Vice Ganda is continuing the history and the legacy. Ang nangyayari kasi, the more that we're making movies, we're helping the economy.
Yes, nagkakaroon
back to
ng
the
spice.
Economy, kay Sylvia Sanchez po.
Paano si Sylvia naman?
We're not telling that she's guilty. Pero na-drag kasi yung pangalan niya about the corruption. So there are two things that we should know. The movie I'm Perfect, produced by Sylvia Sanchez, that's a different story. Wag po natin idamay yung mga actors doon, especially yung mga mahal po nating fellow na merong Down
Down
syndrome. Hindi lang po sila ang nasasaktan. Sinasaktan din po natin ang kanilang families, especially
Maybe
the
let's
parents.
not mix the
Yeah,
politics
let's
to the
set aside.
entertainment.
And then, we
Kasi
just...
sometimes there are some people
Correct.
that are bashing the movie
Correct.
because
But
the producer...
it's different entity. If she found guilty, well, doon natin ibuhos yung ating
But not
emotion.
on this-
But not now.
This
It's a history,
platform.
right? It's a celebration that once in a lifetime that they will cherish that beautiful and magical award ng mga taong merong disabilities and Down syndrome. So, yung mga comments po natin, keep na muna natin until mapabilis po yung kaso ng
How
corruption.
about yung bloopers naman ng the bloopers of the two guys?
Oh, the bloopers of the
I like
two
that.
guys. It's just like
What's the name?
si Cedric and also
Very nice. I think magkakaroon sila ng
ang cute
movie.
nun. Si Cedric, nung nag-announce silang dalawa ni Dylan. Right? They didn't blame each other. Ang nangyari, nagngitian na lang sila and they say, well, nagkamali tayo. We'll just continue it. Kasi yung si Dylan, ina-announce na yung pangalan ng Best Supporting Actress. And then si Cedric, ina-announce niya yung title
Movie.
of the movie. And at the end, yung clip kasi ang cute, nagtinginan
What do
sila,
you think?
nagtawanan sila.
Meron bang...
There is a spark,
Ikaw
so
gumawa
I'll
ng
produce
TikTok
the
nun eh.
movie. If I have money, I'll produce the movie for Dylan and Cedric.
There's a chemistry.
Yeah, it's a beautiful friendship. It doesn't mean it's chemistry is more on relationship of an
Yeah,
opposite
of
and
course.
same sex. It's a chemistry of a friendship. So a mistake can be still a perfect way to discover
About
your
naman yung mga
fame.
Speech.
Yung mga speech.
About
hindi
the
kailangan.
supporting actress.
Yeah, the supporting actress is
What's the name?
napaka-short. Si Odette. Si Miss Odette.
Can.
Si Miss Odette Can is
And
really...
I like the way she
Yeah.
portray. Even yung Bar Boys, the part 1, very nice. Very
Awesome.
strict
Yeah.
teacher until now.
Correct.
Ang ganda.
And then when she accepted her reward, napaka-gentleman ng mga surrounded sa kanya. Thank you so much for doing that. We will reach that age na magiging old na po tayo. But in somehow, God will give people who will always there to support us climbing
How about the
stairs
best
and
supporting
accepting.
actor?
The best supporting actor, may mga tao nagko-comment, why is it like that? We just accept the reality. Congratulations to everyone.
To Tom Rodriguez.
Yeah, to Tom and to the child actor.
Actually,
and et cetera.
magaling siya dun. Bakit?
Yeah.
Medyo, in the movie itself, I didn't watch the movie yet, but
Yeah, parang
there's a portrayal na
dominant.
medyo nakakainis talaga. Which he
Magaling
portrayed
siya.
right. That's
When
why
we're
maybe
watching
he
the
won the
teaser.
award.
Yeah. So that's why a celebration, it's a good way to thank them. So do not
Yeah.
spoil it po. Accept the reality. Sana kayo na lang po ang nag-judge. Sana kayo na lang po nag-produce if you don't like it.
And then
Yeah.
he's saying to his speech, talagang yung mga marites, no? He's saying to his speech that he tried to emphasize his wife and the kid in thanking.
Because they move
That's the
on.
reality.
Even
And
if
Carla Beliano moved on and very happy in her
and
life.
perfect timing nga eh. He got a reward, he moved on. He thanked his wife and the child, and then Carla is thank God for another celebration, wedding, di ba? So, that's it po. Sana maging happy po tayo sa result and stop bashing po yung mga nasa I'm Perfect movie.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yan,
Nabalo yun na.
God bless us all.